Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a get ready with me on this look. It's not a tutorial, so this isn't me showing you how to do this look at all. It's just me kind of jumping around showing you guys bits and pieces of me getting ready. Just wanted to do a fortune teller look. It seemed to be really popular this year and I had the idea before it even became popular, so I was really upset that everyone started doing it, but I still did it anyways, and yeah, this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button down below if you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I am just going to be doing get ready with me. This is not a tutorial, so I'm not going to be doing like step by step and telling you guys how I'm doing it. I'm just going to kind of show you by just getting ready. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you guys kind of learned something from this video. I'm just going to be getting ready for Halloween, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get right into it. That's it for the makeup. Besides lips, I still have to do my lips, but I'm going to come back once I have my hair done and my costume on and all that, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Not a lot better than I thought it would, but yeah, I'm sorry if you wanted a tutorial on this. It's kind of jump around with what I'm doing, but I didn't want to make this video super long and I just wanted to show you guys the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very blunt video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!